It's like only This dog is so calm. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Did you see the desserts? It's like so pretty. No.
What about the American?
Oh yeah. She bought an American one.
Yeah, everything good.
Wait, what?
You show them in there, like they just like throw it away. Get that out of here. What you got hot chocolate?
No, I got it.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what you guys are up to, but I have some ideas here if you guys like.
We
just
could
have
see.
no clue.
Where are we?
I have no idea.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
You only see that in Europe. This feels like Britain.
Yeah, it really
This feels like the Buckingham House.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, I was filming and then it was like the zoom in was on Stefano's head.
Oh, we're working on the picture even though it's red.
Oh.
That's my treatment.
Oh. Sorry.
The meaning is like, I didn't read a translation, but more or less the meaning is like that Ludovicus Philippus Primum, the king of Frankfurt, donate more or less
Frankfurt. Of the Frank.
Of the French.
of the French. Yeah.
No, probably like you. Oh, which is just the same as il, el. Like he and she.
Yeah.
There's he, she, and on.
It's like on y va.
Yeah, on y va. Va. You can say like elle va as well, and it is written the same way.
It's like let's go.
Yeah. And in that case, it is the avoir.
4 days ago, I didn't even look at
Because I'll be taking pictures of each detail. Oh, you're filming?
It's the Louvre. I don't know what building this is though.
We're trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
And we arrived at the Louvre.
It's you.
Lo sabia de vista quem era.
Woohoo! Anson.
That's like a Korean brand.
Yeah, the B is the. Oh my god, there's a Paris baguette.
Like in Paris. Only us Asia would get it.
That's iconic. Yeah, that's my thing.
Oh shit.
Is that what yours is?
I'm not taking track.
Because I wanted to not have fun. So
That's on your stuff. The photo? Did you cut his ad? No, right?
Just
I did not.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you.
yeah. Which is
Get off of the booth.
You want to know if they have the bus station?
No. In French, if you get off the booth.
So what is this place?
I'm not sure. Maybe Gardens of Luxembourg, yeah, I think. And this is the Montparnasse Tower, the Tour Montparnasse. The second, I guess, building after the La Tour Eiffel.
Oh,
Eiffel Tower.
really?
Yeah.
Is it that the...
Yeah, yeah. No.
It's very nice. Oh, you don't like Heineken?
Oh no, it's horrible.
Really?
No. Sion, no.
This cry of despair coming from this French
This
person.
one of the worst.
Really?
Yeah.
Heineken's really common in Vancouver.
Yeah, but it's.
Where are you living in the UK?
I used to live like at different places. I was in London for close to it, and then I went up north like Lancaster, so like close to Manchester.
Manchester. Oh my god. Wow, you take a picture. Let me take a selfie.
You can do that. We have to do like some technical stuff. Like we have to do.
And this one, I don't know who was coming from. But I am from War, Kevin,
First time
Mine that
Thank
I.
you.
Yeah. Please take it away from me. Yeah. Okay. I should. Pizza. It is what now?
Should we go?
Jello. C'est Jello. Any of you want to get here to take a photo? For me to take a picture? We all get the selfie.
Sit down. Hi, we're lost.
Yeah.
Yay! The sunset's beautiful.
Good morning, guys. Right now it's 7:54 a.m. and I was supposed to sleep until like 10, but construction outside and mosquitoes woke me up, so I will just be quickly hitting the gym. To the lobby. I took a shower.
Yeah, I bought this like 3 days ago and I still haven't finished it, so. Nice price, good.
It's actually almost
Huh?
we actually almost
Oh, what is it called?
Iceberg.
Iceberg. I'm just gonna follow you around until you go to that section. Yes, yes.
guy just goes sunbathing.
On peut des glaces.
So sort of Finch dancer.
For some reason, I don't know, maybe it's just me. I'm less like grossed out by Alice the Blonde. Or would that add a lot of
I think it's just around here and then go that way. Hi, first day of school.
Who is interested in French? Learn French.
We'll have an early dinner and then.
No, stand.
Sure, there's also a desk behind you. Oh yeah. Yeah, like totally not shit.
Let me get some paper towel.
Oh yeah, paper towel.
Well, just milk.
Oh no, there's coffee because that's what I got last time.
Yeah, that would be sad.
that would.
First museum. Kind of terrifying, to be honest.
Wait,
No, yeah,
wait, the other way around. In his statue, the muscle is actually here. So it is a muscle that you only see like once in. Yeah. So we would face like that. If you press the face, the eye goes into it. All right. Everybody dance number. Right first, right first.
I'm in there.